What's up, guys? Okay, so today we are at JLS, and today we're going to be doing a cam kit install. It's a Brian Tooley Stage 4 cam kit with all the top end and the cam, and we just towed the vehicle down with special vehicle transportation. So let's take a look at that engine. So we out here at JLS. The guy's out doing a tune right now. It is pouring outside. It is a shitty day. I'm glad we pulled the engine out and transmission out already. And now it's just time to build the engine and put it in the truck. Woo!
You want to make sure you never look at the cam bearing.
Just close your eyes.
Just don't look. Here she is, Mike.
Look at him stroking my shaft.
Let's just say I know how to lay a cam.
Only Lucas Oil products around here.
Nothing but the best.
Oh yeah, love me some Lucas
I wouldn't
Oil.
trust my spray-can to anyone else.
No.
Brian Tooley, Lucas Performance Oils, winning combination.
And the cam
That
is
way I know if you're messing around, Adam.
in.